Hello, Jeff Hale here with Halo Inc. Today we're going to go over how to place a replacement order for garments in case we've made a mistake on a couple of garments and we need to replace them. We don't want to hold the entire job up, so we're going to do a replacement order real quick here. The order we're working on is order 8661 for Nikola Motors. It was for 80 hats, and 2 of the hats wound up with some needle breakage, so we need to replace them. The rest of the job is done. So what we're going to do, very first thing, is we're just going to clone this order. We're going to call this fix so that everybody knows what's going on with it. Click off of update to current pricing, not that it matters, but we're going to keep the proof, we're going to keep the notes because it does correlate with the original order. We're going to hit clone and edit. That's going to bring up the new order for us. We're going to change our quantity to 2 pieces because that's what we need. There's 2 pieces that were bad, so we just need to replace 2 pieces. Tab here. We're going to go to next step. We're going to go to advanced pricing options, and we're going to give this a 100% discount because the customer's already paid for these hats. We don't want to charge them. Looks like this user doesn't have the rights for this, so let's go back real quick and let's do something. Let's try it this way. We're going to come here and edit the product discount. This is the product discount instead of the whole order discount. Let's see if we can do this. Nope, we can't. This user doesn't have rights. So I'm going to log out. I'll log myself in real quick. And this will be a reminder to me to fix Judy's rights. Okay, so we're back in. Here's this new order. We're going to edit the order because we closed it out here. Total quantity of 2 pieces. Next step, we're going to come to advanced pricing. We're just going to give them a 100% discount because we don't want to charge them twice. Click to apply the discount. You'll see now the order is for free. Select reason, inventory issue, save the order. That's simple. Now the order's been placed. We're going to take this, kick this into in production. Actually, we'll click it to in design so we can get the artwork moved. This is going to go into embroidery. Product notes is for design. Today's date 0506. We're going to pick up art from the original order, which was that 8661. That way design knows to pick up the art and throw it into that new folder. Going to delete any old notes. There we go. We're all set. The very next thing we're going to do is we're going to go on to sanmar.com, which is where these particular hats came from, and we'll do that in a separate video because there's no username programmed here.